Hey guys, Switch JV over here. I have a couple of things that Kemimoto has sent over to me, and these are a couple of videos back, or a few videos back. They had sent me some door pockets or door storage assemblies like these to put on the RZR, and since then they've upgraded these storage areas to put different things in. And as you can see, this one you can put like an emergency kit or something like that. There's, a key ring holder, tool kits, your phone, just about anything. These things will hold all kinds of stuff. And this one has, like I say, the tool pouch. You can put stuff in there, then it zips. And they're both the same on both sides, so you got more storage area that way. I mean, you don't have to use both of them to put the emergency kit on there, but you could, use it for all kinds of other things. And then, of course, this one has a pocket to put stuff in there. The nice thing about these is they're waterproof, the storage area, so you can put your phone in there and it won't, no water gets inside there. Everything is held in place, with these heavy-duty zippers that they put on. And like there's another storage area on this one as well, with a, inside another storage unit that's on the inside. These, I really like. The nicest thing about these is these padding that's right there, because when you're on the door, if you have longer legs and you're a little bit taller, your knees always slam up against the side of the door of the RZR. So these go here, and they give you some protection. These ones, they've upgraded so you can actually either replace or wash whatever you need to do, but the padding comes out. So let's say the padding gets worn, you could replace the padding as well. And then, like on the other ones, they have the Velcro attaching points here, and then you use your bolts that are on the panel themselves already. So you don't need any extra hardware. Basically, you unscrew the bolts that are on the door, bolt it back on, and you're ready to go. And again, these guys, they're both the same on both sides, so you can put whatever you want in these ones. Take out the padding on the inside of these guys and put some other stuff like that. And so I'm going to go through the installation's a breeze. Like I say, you just take out the bolts, screw it in, and you're ready to go. It takes like 5 minutes to put them on. So I'm going to go ahead and install these on the RZR, and I'll also post a couple of links below the video that will get you over to their website, and they're actually really affordable.